So this is going to be part 2 of how much time did I spend. So when you're thinking about how much time you spent, you're looking at your end time and your start time and the difference, because you're trying to find how much time you spent, the difference between the time that you started and the time that you ended. So I'm going to say that I started at 3:46 and I ended at 5:15. So what I'm doing is I'm making these problems a little more challenging each video I go, so that you understand everything that you have to do when you're talking about time. So I have 15 minutes minus 46 minutes, but I cannot do that. So remember, I have my minutes over here and I have my hours over here. If I would like to regroup between my minutes and my hours, I have to add 60 minutes to my minutes, because I'm going to take away an hour. So I'm taking away this hour and I'm making that hour minutes. 15 plus 60 would give me 75. So now I'm dealing with 75 minutes minus 46 minutes. Now it's possible. I cannot take away 46 minutes though from 15 minutes without making it an hour more, because you cannot take away from a number that is, you cannot take 46 out of 15. It's not possible. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my subtraction over here. I'm going to make that 5 of 15 and regroup and take it away from my tenths by making this my 7 a 6. So 15 minus 6 would be 9, and 6 minus 4 would be 2. So now I have 29 minutes. If I take away 3 hours from 4, I have 1. So I would have 1 hour and 29 minutes that I spent doing whatever in the world I was doing. Okay, I'm going to show you one more example, and this is going to be my last one, I promise. I know I said the last video was the last video, but I lied. So let's say I started something at 1:14, and let's say my end time was 3:05. I ended at 3 o'clock in 5 minutes. So I'm going to start with my end time, because I'm trying to find the difference between my end time and my start time. Whatever that time is in between is what I am looking for. So I'm going to be subtracting. I'm not adding any time. I'm finding the difference between these times. So, like I said before, here's my minutes over here. I cannot take away 14 minutes minus 5 minutes. So I'm going to have to add 60 minutes, which is an hour, to my 5 minutes. Where did I get my hour? Well, I got my hour from my hours. So that 3 is going to become a 2. So 5 plus 60 would give me 65. So I'm just going to make this a little bit easier on my life and make this into my 65. 5 minus 4 would give me 1. 6 minus 1 would give me 5. 2 minus 1, 1. So I spent a total of 1 hour and how many minutes? 51 minutes.